Thank you all for coming out and showing up tonight and cooking together. But I think the most important part about eating food is eating together. So I'm so excited that once we cook our meal tonight, we all get to eat together and be together and celebrate all this wonderful food.
Welcome to our family cooking night here at Hueneme High School. We're trying this out for the first time here. What we're doing tonight is making an upgraded ramen. So we're taking ramen packets that we might traditionally find in our house and learning how to make a broth from scratch, and then adding fresh vegetables from some local farms that we work with. And then we're also making a side salad called the Harvest of the Month, which is a broccoli crunch. There's broccoli in there, carrots, jicama, and a sesame dressing. And the last thing we're making today is an overnight oats. So we're gonna have dinner together, and then also everyone can go home with some oatmeal for the morning time.
Learn something that we probably have at home and we don't know how to use it.
Yeah.
And process, healthy.
Yeah.
For us, for everybody. But this is new, it's already smelling pretty good.
It feels good, I guess. We're all doing something together.
It was mostly just to be together, have another memory to share and look back on. We'll sign up the next time this happens. We'll be here.